we got this fucking beast right here. This fucking beast. This fucking beast, boy. Y'all see it though. Motherfuckers a little scratch, but we gonna touch them hoes up. We got 345 by the way. And we got that Chrysler bitch over there too. Yeah. Look who it is. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see my boy Rilo and Lando in that bitch. Say what going on? In that cat, they in that cat. Waiting on my boy in that Chrysler. Y'all already know that white Chrysler, yo. They get busy today though. On mine. Still busting down these windies though. These $5 big bag, fuck your hoe. Yeah. But nah, I'm on some cool shit. I'm gonna put the head man on. Get busy behind the wheel. We ain't good shit for real. We just been running around. Fucking the streets up. That's how it go. Fuck them streets up at all times. But shit, I'm finna put this head man on. Yeah. We got them fucking things out. As y'all can see. Y'all hear this bitch growling. Y'all hear this bitch growling. Yo, we got them things out today. Oh God. Waiting on my other homeboy to get done. I don't know what we finna get into today, but shit. You know we finna be fucking the streets up like always. That's all we do. Fuck the streets up. Fuck the streets up. But yeah. I don't know what the fuck. Like, I need some mods for this bitch. Bitch ain't pulling for real like how I wanted to. So, I need this bitch to pull. Like, I'm gonna be giggling in this hold on. This shit going on today. Shit going on today though. This shit really going on. I ain't gonna lie, I need some tunes though, y'all. I need that really be stepping up shit. I need that Q50 knee. Yeah, I got that Hellcat behind me too though. Hellcat and Chrysler 300 behind me though. Hellcat 300 behind me, y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on though. Come on the side of me, let me hear that motherfucker. They ain't even gonna, he ain't trying to let me hear that motherfucker, y'all. What the fuck you doing? I need to hear that motherfucker. Get that bitch on the vlog. Let me hear that motherfucker. Let me hear that motherfucker. Y'all see this motherfucker though, the vlog. Y'all see this bitch. Woo! Y'all hear that bitch? Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. We coming trim all year. Hey, y'all hear that bitch back there? Get that bitch in that too though. Get that bitch, yo. We here. Y'all see what's going on today. Y'all see what's going on YouTube. Hear that bitch, look y'all. We in the motherfuckers though, y'all. Y'all see them motherfuckers though. We got span shit at the light. We got Hellcat, we got Chrysler too. We got Charger too. Just name it all. It don't fucking matter. Thought we had some more shit. Hey, we skirting off on the air, y'all. Y'all see how we coming. Y'all see how we coming. I'm behind that cat. Y'all see that motherfucker. It ain't even sign right. Y'all see, hold on, y'all gotta see that though. I really be stepping on it, y'all fried. Gotta make sure this shit looking right. Shit looking right. Oh God, we getting right. Oh, I'm gonna tell you a lot. Alright. We got business behind us. We got something behind us too. Y'all see that motherfucker behind us? Alright then. Y'all see that Mustang behind us? But this bitch is sport though. I wanna launch this bitch. Y'all, we got Mustang behind me. Look at that bitch. You can't even see it. Y'all see that motherfucker behind me? and Chrysler behind that. We go cat in front of me. Then hit that E-way, you know, hit that E-way, hit that gas station first, then we're gonna hit that E-way. Damn, God. It's a cool little day though, y'all. I feel good outside. We got the V's out. Got the V's out. I got a stain behind me though. Y'all see I ride with traction control out. They look like them boys that just did a U, yo. Can't tell. I really be stepping on shit. They go that cat in front of us though, y'all. See what's going on? We got that stain behind me though. Hey, we got a stain behind me. Yes sir, yes sir. Y'all see what's going on. This bitch get screaming, boy. Yeah, but we back on light shit. I ain't know now. I'm turning traction back. I'm cooling now. Out of sport. Hold up. Hold up. I really be stepping on shit. That nigga try to run you fall, you fuck. Y'all see that wide body? Wide body cat. Ooh. Wide body cat. I'm trying to get up and see this Hellcat up here. Let me put my seatbelt on for you people. Yeah. Y'all see this Hellcat? That motherfucker look nice. That motherfucker look nice. Yes, sir. Like the Hellcat, look good. What is going on?
It's all nothing but anxiety.
Oh, my homeboy, he at the gas station. He just got a Hellcat.
Nothing but anxiety.
Stress. I love it.
Stress.
Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh shit.
You want to race everybody.
I know he leave everything. What is it, red eye? Red eye, just regular one? Still, it's him.
Yeah.
It's him.
The little one is an old man. This is for old men.
Oh man.
I can't handle that jailbreak.
Oh, y'all see it, YouTube. That's nice. Look at these! Lando! Look at them niggas! Rollo! Y'all see what's going on? But we got the fucking things over there. We got Chrysler, another Hellcat. Y'all just saw Hellcat, another one. What the fuck going on? Y'all see the fuck going on today? This shit going on for real. Yes sir, YouTube. This shit is going on. Hey, shit. Oh, I'm back and I'm better. I want you forever, if you don't never. Nah. Talk my shit, baby. Talk my shit. Put the AC on this bitch. I ain't gonna lie. That bitch on AC. It's hot as the fucky. Hot as the fuck. Hot as the fuck. Hot as the fuck. What we doing, y'all? Talk my shit. Talk my shit. You know I'm the latest, babe. Wait, nigga. Wait, nigga. Y'all finna get active. Hey, camera on. Get active. Get active. y'all see them things out. We got them things out right now. Let me hear them things. Let me hear them things. Put the bitch in sport mode. Bread gang.
That's what I am, nigga. If I serve a purpose. Boy, that shit can't fast, feel like I'm skipping. Put on some running shoes to get right here, nigga. I had to Johnson Hurts. This shit off the head, nigga. Fuck around. If the industry come like this, it disgusts me. I ain't gotta lay with no nigga to line up the wrong myself. My shit instead to match me in the offering. Talk that hoe to come with her ass. Coochie, pop, mouth or something. These niggas piss me off, trying to get some more switches in the morning. I ain't never got no. That's just how it is. That's just how it's going. I'm trying to run up $1 million, nigga. When I get out to that camera, no nigga keep on going.
Hey, where the fuck my phone go? We lit today though. Y'all see them boys? I'm out this bitch geeking out this hoe. Let me slow it down. Wait on the cats and shit. It don't slide no more. Y'all done put these fat ass tires on here. I'm gonna take them out. No! No! Where my phone go? I done dropped the phone and shit. Hey, that bit hard. That bit go trim. Y'all see that bit? That bit go hard. Where the fuck we going? Run that bit. You gonna run it? Fuck it, come on. On you. On you. On you. My shit don't work. Damn, what the fuck? Fuck it. 1, 2, 3. Hey, y'all pulling. Hey, y'all pulling. Hey, y'all pulling. Hey, we all pulling, y'all. We pulling y'all. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, y'all. These all pulling these hoes right. Y'all hear them. Hey, where we going? Huh? Downtown? Oh, hey, I lost my phone in this bitch, y'all. I'm throwing this motherfucker all around this bitch. I can't even slide no more. And where my phone go? Fuck! The fuck! I lost all my shit. Look at my phone, I think. There go my phone, baby girl. There go my shit, y'all. Waiting on that Hellcat to push up, though. Y'all see we got the things out, show. Things out. Motherfucker. Come on, your ass playing though. Let's slam on your brakes now. There go Hellcat. Yeah, YouTube. I've been a little quiet. I was trying to get busy through traffic. Yeah. You too, y'all shit the fuck going on. I need to chill my ass out now. I'm cooling though. I'm on some chill shit.
I'm outside. She wanna see my fucking face, but bitch, I'm with the guys. That's how I get you high.